In 60 seconds, simply tell us why you are the best person and most qualified person on this stage to be Richmond's next mayor.
Well, hello, Richmond. I am a 16-year veteran of City Hall. My 8 years working in the walls of City Hall focused my attention on taking an entry-level position and making it into a nationally recognized government innovation leader. I led international projects, won state awards and national awards as well. The reason why I quit my job is because you don't know about any of the work that I did. And so one of the biggest things I wanted to do is run for office. The last 8 years I've served on City Council. During my time on City Council, we've made incredible progress. When I was elected in 2017, you asked me to fill potholes. We are now paving 80% of our streets. You asked me to try to fix transit, and now we have one of the top 3 transit systems in the country that I helped make fare free. And lastly, probably the most important one, you asked me to fund public schools. And we've made historic investments, $88 million increase in RPS funding, building 4 new schools, and increasing average teacher pay.
Dr. Vula.
I'm running for mayor because I love this city. I've tackled some of the biggest challenges that our local and state government have faced, and I want to bring that experience to City Hall. I love the city because it's been home for over 2 decades. My wife teaches in Richmond Public Schools. Our 5 kids have all gone to Richmond Public Schools. The city has shaped us in so many ways. When we were dead last in the country in terms of getting COVID vaccines into arms, Governor Northam called me and asked me to lead the state vaccination effort. We went from 50th to the top 10 most vaccinated state in the country. And we did it by listening to the community, by partnering with the private sector, and by being really focused on process and outcomes. That's the experience that I want to bring to City Hall, because if we're going to tackle the crisis of affordable housing, if we're going to improve educational outcomes, if we're going to expand access to healthcare, and if we're going to create an effective and accountable City Hall, that's the expertise our next mayor needs. I'm going to be a mayor who makes sure that we continue to grow and flourish as a city and that nobody gets left behind.
Dr. Vula, thank you. Mr. Nebler.
I am running to be Richmond's next mayor because I am an example in the resiliency of Richmond. I'm a product of Richmond. I was born and raised here. I'm an example of commitment. And I'm not Johnny come lately. I've been here, I've seen the challenges, I've helped pull and lift up veterans, families in crisis, and also those who have been incarcerated. So on a day-to-day basis, I've been doing it for over 15 years. And I've been committed to each and every person in the city of Richmond, even outside of the city limits. When the call comes, I answer, almost like Batman in the heat of the night. So the thing is, I have a background in financial accountability because I'm on the board of directors of a federal credit union. And also I'm a business owner, a serial entrepreneur. I have innovative ways that's going to push and drive Richmond forward, and I cannot wait to serve as Richmond's next mayor. Thank you.
Mr. Roday.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Harrison Roday. It's great to be with you tonight. I'm running for mayor because I'm a proven Democrat who has the experience to get this job done starting on day 1. I've worked with Senator Kaine and President Obama, so I know what it's like to have leaders who listen to people and who serve residents by advocating for them. I spent many years working in manufacturing, and I love manufacturing because people come together with a common purpose to get things done. And that's not just what we need to do to reform City Hall, but across our entire community. At the beginning of COVID, when businesses were shuttering, I started a nonprofit organization called Bridging Virginia that serves small Black and women-owned businesses with access to capital, because a level playing field is what we need in Richmond more than ever. I'm running because our next mayor needs to have the right combination of experience and our shared democratic values, and I'm looking forward to the conversation tonight.
Ms. Mosby.
I'm running for mayor because I love our city and I love the people of Richmond, and I believe that Richmond deserves the best. I am a former council representative that was able to get some really great things done in our city in 4 years. Currently, we have my opponents we have 3 that have never served in local government, and you need someone that can hit the ground running. At the end of the day, you have to have someone that has presented policy, presented initiatives, and a budget before council and gained consensus. And I have been able to do that. We need someone that has been able to not just be appointed to certain boards, but has been elected by the council to be president and serve as president of Richmond City Council. You need someone that can work for the entire city, and on day 1, hit the ground running, because in March, a proposed budget will need to be to council, and you have to have someone that can make that happen for us.